Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to our channel. So for today, I'm going to give you an update of our Azolla pond. Okay. So after we have repaired it, now it's okay, and Azolla has really multiplied, and they're very healthy. But before we continue, if you are new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and hit that notification bell that you will be notified always whenever we have new videos. And don't forget to like and share as well to support our channel with regards to the YouTube algorithm. So yes, before we left for Singapore, that was mid-August, we have repaired our Azolla pond because of a hole that was under the water, and it keeps on draining and we are losing water. So but today I would like to show you our Azolla. They're very healthy. Very healthy indeed. Okay, and our water level about 3 inches deep only, and it's rich in organic matter. Okay, we have put about 2 kgs of decomposed dry goat manure or cow manure here, and look at our Azolla. Okay, so it's fresh water. Just in case we have excess Azolla. By the way, Azolla is very rich in terms of protein, 20 to 30% crude protein. Very rich for chicken, ducks, goats, cows, pigs. Alright. If I have excess, what I do, I use it to fertilize my dragon fruit. It could be a green manure, okay, source of nitrogen for our plants. Yeah, so successful repair of our Azolla pond. At the same time, we have successfully, multiplied again our Azolla. So very rich in crude protein for chicken, ducks, goats, cows, pigs, okay, animals, including tilapia actually. Okay, fish. There was an experiment in Thailand. Okay, two groups of tilapia. One group of tilapia is fed with commercial feeds. Another group of tilapia fed only with Azolla. After 4 months of experiment, okay, so the control group, they got the average weight, and then the experimental group fed with Azolla, they get the average weight. Using statistics, maybe the T formula, okay, so just to get the comparison of two groups, there is no significant difference. T-test rather, it's a T-test. There's no significant difference with regards to the average weight of the two groups, the experimental group and the control group. So what does it mean? It means you can grow your tilapia with Azolla only. Okay, that's a very good experiment actually. You can do it yourself in your own farm. Come up with, maybe you can try 3 groups. When I say 3 groups, one, we have a control group, means to say 1,000 tilapia fed only with commercial feeds. Second group, 1,000 tilapia fed with Azolla. The third group, you can do mix, 50% commercial feeds, 50% Azolla, and see after 4 months, maybe you get a sample of maybe 10 tilapia from each group, for each group, and then get the average weight, right? And then do t-test, okay? and see if there's a significant difference in the weight. Yeah, that could be a very good research. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe once again. And if you like this type of videos, our channel is all about, you know, sustainable agriculture, organic agriculture, and regeneration, regenerative agriculture, and of course the circular economy. All right, that's all, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Mungu awa bariki. Kwaheri, bye. Blessings always.